and see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Yo, somebody has to probably on the phone and do some maths, so probably just call me. Like, oh no, look. Funny. What? Want me to open it?
Yes.
No. The panel amount.
Oh, Jesus, God. Send them a cookie.
Nyla, close it. Close it. Oh boy. Bang. Hey mama. You wanna ride your scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah? So yo, today we just had to take a little stroll. Wake up this morning. Honestly yo, Mike put me on the show last night. It all come down to like trading cryptocurrency, and so it's called Startup, but it's a 2018 movie, but it's a series. I don't know, I just say I like series, because once I start watching a series I feel like I have to finish the series first before I can stop watch, because as alone we go know exactly what go on in the show. So start the last night and end up watch out one whole series and start the next series, and I have to say, hey, get up and go on in your bed, man. So I end up just get up and go on bed. So wake up, I not really get no full sleep last night. I literally get like 6 hours sleep. Jump up and be with Nyla. Now we walk, just a stroll around the usual walk more, you know. But yesterday honestly I not even get to big up all my mothers them out there, you know. And now I want to take the opportunity to big up all my mothers them out there. You see my fathers no watch no face at time, still early for the time to come back, but I want to give a big shout out to all like single mothers them out there, because it's like the struggle is real. Come, you get me? For a mother by herself, I take care of a youth, you know, easy. Worse if them have other things I deal with, like other like jobs and all the other stuff, like, you know, easy. You get me? And I just want to take a time out to say enough respect to you. You get me? Big up on yourself, and we appreciate you. You get me? If y'all want to show no appreciation.
Daddy!
Yeah?
Yeah, Daddy!
Birdie?
Yeah.
You want to go get it?
Yeah.
Go get it.
Come.
No, you go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get the birdie. It's gone. Okay, come. It's gone?
Yeah.
So yeah, you don't know.
I think the body said it done.
Yeah, birdie's gone because you were going after it.
Yeah.
Is he scared of you?
Huh?
Is he scared of you?
You're all done it.
Is the bird scared of you?
Huh?
Is the birdie scared of you?
Yeah.
yeah, so man I say big up on yourself. You get me? That's my main point, because it's not easy. You get me? And enough people probably I say like just get youth and all of them thing, and the man them just run off and left the mother them to take care of everything. But deep down, if a man could have got in our woman's shoes and understand the struggle and know how real the struggle is, then would have, like, probably enough man would have take it like show more appreciation in our way. You get me? And feel like man them see what they kill off you man them when they cut out, you know. So if you end up that's reach a point in a life which part I think now work out, when you just load the human them and go on, you get me? Like you must can find somebody out the same way would I want you just as though that the person they want you. Unless I don't know, but when I can change up on the settings still, you see me? Me just I get a news yesterday saying me this guy killed this girl me used to go school with from like primary school. But me know her from, like from my city face me remember her. And like me knowing her from primary school, she was a like quiet girl, like yo, is a quiet person, you see me? Even as we get older, like me see her now and then, and you can also say are the same person inside, and to find out say the man kill the woman because I'm like honestly me not even want to say why, but the man kill the woman, chop up the woman, cut in short and kill the woman and leave the woman in the house, and then cancel the gas station with his son. You get me? Like just do your thing and leave the people and keep people them live on. You get what I say? But big up to all our mothers them out there, but they deal with them thing by themselves, as I say, because more while a mother just need even like a mental break some of the time for themselves. Mama, come on, get up. Come, let's go. You get me?
Daddy,
Yeah?
Daddy,
Yeah?
you want to get it?
You want the car?
Huh?
You want the car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go, go.
Yeah, so man I say more a mother need a mental break some of the time from just for themselves, you get what I say? And more while no help no delay. You get me? And that kind of rough. You see me? Worse if a man did it too and he not help out, like come on bro, come on. Like a woman carry a youth. Enough man, yeah, I say, oh yeah, I say, I carry me youth there in back few more years, yeah, come on. But like you don't know how one woman go through for a 9 month or how much month some people go through like premature, but still them go through whole heap, them body go through whole heap. And more while some woman body change after the whole pregnancy and the whole thing, our body change and them thing, and after that there's some man start disrespect them woman, say the woman look good again. Come on, appreciate that bro, because honestly like if you go through them this level, I'm not go through it here, but if you ever witness certain things or some woman go through, you probably not even want to disrespect my woman again, you get me? But big up to all our mommy them, and for all our mommy them, I love you, you get me? Young, old, no matter what, I love you, you see me? Because you know, if you never did it, trust me, like we wouldn't dare see me, you know. So big up on yourself. I'm done. So this is not a little scooter. This is Nyla Is A scooter.
It's a baby.
You see the baby?
Huh?
Okay, you're gonna ride the scooter, show them?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Only thing you don't know if it turns. Watch out. What happened? Where you going? Mama, come get your scooter. Go get your scooter.
Oh, it is rubbish.
Huh?
Here, what is wrong?
It's in the rubbish? Okay. Come. Bring it. Okay.
I do this.
You're so extra. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Ready.
Okay, ready.
One,
Go! Yay! Go again, go again. Go again, mama. Go, go. Look where you're going, look where you're going. Oh, no! Okay, come. You did good, man. Go again.
1,
2,
3,
go. Yay! Woo! Chili food. Ooh, wow, wow. Go.
So I'm literally here and I'm like, I need to jump on this vlog because I didn't get to end off my vlog last night because it was Shauna's birthday and then my brother came over because it was his birthday a couple of days ago, so we were just chilling. And then I ended up, I was like up until like 3, 4 in the morning watching Chicago Med. I don't know if I didn't know about this show before, but I've been addicted to this show. It's all I've been watching. I think I'm on season 3. I'm almost on season 3, but it's so good. It's like Grey's Anatomy, but not even close. Like I like this more for some reason. I don't know. Not that Grey's Anatomy wasn't good, but Chicago Med is like really, really, really good. Highly recommend that you check it out. It's on Amazon Prime. I don't know if it's on Netflix, but I've been watching it on Amazon Prime. It's really good. Literally all I've been watching.
You know what time of night, you know? 9 o'clock, and from the other day, me tell Nisha,
Baby,
9 o'clock, that pick me up with the sleep. Watch him. Hey, hey, why you not asleep? Why you not asleep? So, just to make a note, today I'm gonna play some ball.
Tell them how you can't breathe. Tell them how you can't breathe first of all.
Alright, now me I try to catch breath. A woman breathe, man no breathe. Why?
Wait,
You can't, I don't know.
really bad.
You know, see my shoulder pain me from yesterday. But anyway, so me there I lay down, Nisha over here so I eat some food.
And corned beef, guys.
Why you say you're gonna make something else? Yeah, but I feel like police power with master. You think in Jamaica alone neighbor call police. Yo, we say yo, there we have play. We have play, we have the other side. We have the other side 6-3. We score 2. Bang, 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 bang. Wicked. I like when I play ball and I get to score. And the boy in my face say, good goal, bro, good goal. Because the boy them always don't want to play with me, you know?
Okay, you're too rough.
They always want to pass the ball around me. No, I mean for me one team player them like they always want to pass the ball around me, you know? And when they see me start a star up beside me, they might say, hey, watch that guy, watch that guy. I say anywhere me go play. From I play 2 or 3 games, like from the start, like if I score even 1 goal or make a couple pass, like look after here, they say, hey, watch that guy, keep an eye on that guy, you know. But then can't hold me still. And kick in 2, see me and kick 1. Kick it way over 1 yard. Me one them and them say, holy, since we've been playing here, the ball has never gone that far. Really, we did play and all our vibes and, you know, score 1, score 2, other you score 3 and next one score 1. So we gave him 6-3. And just as we did and the game started getting nice, I know. We see one Jeep turning fast. I mean, they watch them, you know, we look. We see the basketball player, them they move to them ball like to run. And like the police stop them and then did their talk. So tell them the boss, they call we over to in there and like, South Africa, you did it now. They must say, hey, I'm not going over there. I am going there. I run. The boss them start running. So the police cover them boss. I say, I should have just ticket all of you guys. Because those guys run, you know. But then you see one you they want to know, and I say, anyways, I know how stressful it is to stay inside and so forth, you know. So if we just we know say it's a pandemic or whatever we know, so we have to understand and work him a do and in neighbor them call say we dey play ball and we not social distance or so. Then and then me not made me I say blood clot police neighbor they call police we think of Jamaica alone. They say a neighbor call police for you. But anyway, we did it still and the boss say it all going cool still. Like the boss say if we just you know, we don't know anything set already and he not try to be disrespectful or he not ticket nobody, he just say come talk to me and because he understand the situation. I like that. You know? Like I don't understand so. So if we just any game that's done and you know. When I come home and I try to catch some breath. Hey, you know, so I don't trust them phone business. Some of the time, because some of the time I not even talk to Siri, and Siri just come up and I say, pardon me, I'm not call Siri name nor no at all. Anyway, that go on and now we just there easy back. Nisha got work a morning. I'm supposed to get a call about my shoulder tomorrow. Because tomorrow is 13. So
Hopefully you do.
Hopefully they call me and can give me a date for do what I have to do. More and go back and work, go make some money.
But usually a lot of the because I don't think your surgery is gonna be like it's not gonna be a day surgery.
But I say
most
I don't think you go
cancel because even right now like
most of day surgery them cancel.
You see my hospital, a lot of the nurses are working like picking up shifts where I work because the like this day surgery or day surgery is closed.
Why though?
With the whole pandemic, I guess. I don't.
I'm not fire long though. We just I make you know what go on with me today. And my ball field settings and my shoulder and you know still almost 10 o'clock and Nyla no drop asleep in.
I think I actually ruined it because you had her on
after me put Nyla up on a, you know, a little pattern. Oh, Nisha.
Nyla be like by 8 she'll come and want to sleep.
See?
You want to see my hair? You don't want to see what I did to my hair? I look like a little kid. There's like 6 big doodle plaits in my hair.
So why are you laughing like that though?
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Come on, I look like a little kid.
The nail salon is where I go for all my
You guys see the show them the waves. Can you see the waves? Can you see the waves? Stop hating. Feel it, Ziggy. Feel the waves. Go like this.
I know we have that then Nisha.
This is what.
A river we have them.
Like
you ever
this.
see river we have them?
Can you go like this?
A rough head, rough my wood.
My hair's not rough. Don't do
River
that.
we have them. You ever see river we have them? They want to come down from you for the hill. Never just.
I wish my hair. You're a hater because you don't have no waves.
Yo,
You have like you know when the water, you know when the lake water dry out.
What?
That's what you have. I don't know.
You ever see lake water dry out there?
Yeah, I've seen one of it dry out. When we lived in Top Chulani one time, there was like no water or something like that.
Yeah, bush girl man.
Bush.
A joke.
You're a bushman. How you live?
me used to live up at them places, you know. Me used to live at St. Mary. Up at Highgate.
Really bush though.
Highgate. Enough people probably know Highgate.
I don't know if anybody knows Top Chulani, but like
of
when
course,
we used to live in
Chulani.
Jamaica, like that's where we used to live, and it was like bush. But I know it's different. Like you see, like how where you live, it's so different.
Top Chulani, like
I went to Spring
Hill.
Springfield Garden, or is it Spring View? Oh my god, I can't remember.
I don't
Is
know about
Springfield
Spring Hill.
Simpsons?
I know Spring Hill. Spring Hill,
No.
up Top Chulani way.
No, I know, but as a school, it was a blue and white uniform.
Mm.
Springview Garden, Springfield. I think Springfield's from the Simpsons. But it was Spring something Garden. Because the other day I found pictures in our blue and white uniform. But.
How much place ever live?
What do you mean? In Jamaica?
Oh, you live Canada.
I've literally only been to Jamaica.
Yeah, but.
If I never met you, I would have probably went to other places. But it's like every time I had an opportunity to go away, I was like, obviously I'm gonna come visit my mom.
So when I try to say I'm tapping from other places.
No, I don't regret it. It just I'm just cheesed because when this whole pandemic hit, we said we had all these plans. We had our UK trip planned. We had.
I was ready for that trip.
We had like another trip planned. Like, it's just crazy.
Hopefully, if it thing, you know, clear up and so we can do in the States in December. But if they say about me have to take a COVID vaccine, me not going. Take your foot off of me, man. Take your foot off of me.
Anyways, it's about that time. I'm going to bed because I have work. So show my legs. Anyways, guys, it's about that time because I got works in the morning.
Bro.
But
Take your foot
I
off.
coulda won. No! I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Big up your guys' self.
Nyla, take your foot off of me.
Nyla, tell them good night. Say good night.
Good night.
Say love you.
I
Night night.
love you.
You okay? I hear you.
I love you.
I like bad Nyla, you know. You know, like me used to give all the trouble in me, Lily.
You still give trouble now. They've seen it in the vlogs.
But
I don't get a lot of trouble now.
Now
Like
look at
me used to trouble like but I liquor pitting them like even when they say no. If like when them I say me nah rob Ziggy, like they always still bother them because I love playing with kids, to be honest. Come down. I'm out. I'm done.
Done good.
Nyla, I'm done.
What are you doing? Did you see what she was just
Nyla, say.
Say how
I'm
many
done.
I'm done.
Say I coulda won no. Say ah. Say
Mama.
I coulda won no.
Ah,
Coulda?
Daddy.
No.
Say it, mama. I could have won no.
Look, say it right here. Look in the camera. Say I coulda won no.
Daddy.
I'm done. Say, I'm done.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you. You we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is out.